Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to put a Visa gift card in Venmo. To add a Visa gift card to Venmo, firstly open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Here, tap on Menu in the upper left corner to access the menu. Then select Settings from the menu. Next, choose Payment Methods from the list of options. Tap Add Bank or Card. After that, select Card to add the gift card. Enter the gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Lastly, tap Add Card to add the gift card to your Venmo account. Venmo may attempt to verify the card by making a small charge to it. Check your gift card balance to ensure it can cover such a verification charge. After adding the card, check to see if it was successfully linked. If successful, you may use the gift card for transactions on Venmo. Always be aware of any fees associated with such transactions and the terms of use for both Venmo and the gift card. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.